Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up the drop-down field lists and options feature in Bitform. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the drop-down field. Drag and drop the drop-down field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the drop-down field settings. This feature enables you to create customizable lists of options for the drop-down field. Click on the Add Option List button to create multiple option lists for the drop-down field. Click on the Edit icon to edit the labels of your drop-down field options. You can easily add more options to the drop-down list by clicking the Add More button. You can also create a group by clicking the Add Group button. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the drop-down field. Here, you can see that the drop-down field has been successfully added to the form with its default option already set. Now, I will show you how you can import options for this field. Here, you can select the option you want to import from the drop-down menu. The file upload feature supports 6 file formats: TXT, JSON, XLS, XLSX, CSV, and TSV. This feature allows you to customize how the uploaded file will appear in the drop-down list. Once you have completed all the setup, simply click the Import button to proceed. Here, you can add or remove options from the drop-down list, and you can also check a default option, disable or hide specific options, and make other modifications as needed. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the drop-down field. Here, you can see that the drop-down field has been successfully added to the form with its imported option already set. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.